How to verify Facebook account. To verify your Facebook account, firstly you need to appeal for it. To do so, open your Facebook account in your device. After that, click on the 3-line icon that is in the top right corner. Then your account section will be opened. Now scroll down and extend the option of Help and Support. Then click on the first option, which is Help Center. Inside Help Center, you will see an interface like this. At the top, you will see a section for search bar. Now tap on the search bar and type in verification. After typing in verification, search for that word. Then you will see a lot of options will be displayed to you. You can scroll down and look for other options also, but click on the first option, which is request a verified badge from Facebook. Then you will see an interface like this. If you want to know more about verification badges on Facebook, then you can read this description line by line. But for now, we're just gonna scroll down and you will see a section called You can fill out this form to verify your profile or page. But before that, make sure you read eligibility criteria for Meta verified subscription. Then click on fill out this form. Now you need to fill out this form. You can just provide all the information that they're asking, which includes a document, category, country, region, audience, and many more. After filling this form, simply click on send and Facebook will go through your form and reach out to you. So that is how you can request for a verification badge on Facebook. And that is it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.